Hi everybody. So now Formula One has also collaborated with Lego. You can even see them giving trophies nowadays. So you can have your favorite cars in the Lego model. So we being a McLaren fan, I just got myself the Lego set of the McLaren car. And let's just try to unbox this and see how it is and what it looks like. So looks like everything is packaged parts by parts. So they've got module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I guess. And you just need to unpack them one by one and assemble them. Once you're done with one, you go to 2, then you go to 3, and then you go to 4. So they've just put it in sequence for you, so it's much more easier. Now let's try to assemble them bit by bit and see how it goes. You also get stickers and yeah, so let's see how it goes. It's going to be quick. So here's a manual. It tells you how to assemble them one by one. So that's what it is. Besides the car, you also get the driver. So here it is, the vehicle half built here. The base is ready. You can see I've even put in the steering wheel. It's connected now. And here's the next version of it. The spoiler is there now. And it moves smoothly. Now this is a completely assembled vehicle, and look at the car, it just moves flawless. You just have to give it a small push and it just moves. So you can actually play with it. So it's a nice vehicle to have. So if you're a fan of Formula One cars, you can just get your own model, be it Ferrari, whichever, Ferrari, Red Bull, and just assemble your own and keep it on your desk and play with it whenever you want to take your eye off the screen.